ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you.
Good afternoon. Maya-maya nandito na yung mga bata. And ako, aalis ako. Magluluto lang ako ng dinner nila. And medyo matagal ako hindi nakapag-vlog. Kasi nga, ayoko nang matambakan tayo ng vlogs. So, I'm still editing ng mga late vlogs ko, guys. Pero hindi na siya ganun ka-late-late. Compare before. So, today punta ako ng Mount kasi si Kuya, bukas, meron si Kuyang camping. So, mawawala si Kuya sa amin ng 1 night lang naman. 2 days and 1 night. School camping sila. Si Kuya mayroong mga bili na kailangan kong bilhin sa Mount. So, ngayon ko yung gagawin. Para fresh pa yung kanyang mga, kung anumang pagkain gusto niyang dalhin sa kanyang camping. And gusto niya magpabili ng trackies. Kasi daw yung trackies niya na hindi naman ginamit, ayun, maliit na. So, bilhan ko raw siya ng trackies kahit daw sa Kmart lang kasi pang camping niya lang naman daw. So, punta tayo ng Kmart and Kohl's. Itong gagawin ko ay simple lang to. Giniling. Gigisa ko lang yung giniling. Tapos, ipapalaman ko sa potatoes. Meron akong pinakulan ng potatoes. Nilagay ko lang sa ref. Yan. So, ang gagawin ko dito ay hiwain ko siya sa gitna. Tapos, ipapalaman ko yung ating beef. Then, lalagyan ko ng tomato sauce sa top. Then, cheese. And kung may sour cream pa ako dyan, lalagyan ko din. Then, i-bake. Very simple, pero very delicious. Gustong gusto to ni Jan. So, bawang sibuyas lang naman to. And gamit na gamit ko yung nabili ko, guys. As in. Tapos, meron rin akong pre-nap na gulay para sa akin. Inano ko siya. In-oven ko lang siya. Greenilled ko siya. So, nasa ref siya. Kasi yun yung ating pagkain for the rest of the week. I mean, yung veggies ko ba. Hiniwa ko na yung ano ni Felicity. Kung maalala nyo, binigyan niya kami ng malaking pumpkin. Yun. Hindi pa siya ubos. Kasi ang laki nun. Pero yan, greenilled ko na yung iba para sa aking veggies. Inuubusan na kami ng beef mince, yung homegrown natin. So, bumili na ako sa Kohl's. Ito yung gagawin ko. Ano lang do 500 grams. So, gigisa ko lang yan. Nakahiwa na ako ng bawang sibuyas. Meron akong capsicum, kaso si Jan, huwag ko na lang daw lagyan. Kung ako, masusunod, lalagyan ko pa siya. Pero okay na yun para last hiwa-hiwa. Okay, lutuin ko na to para makaalis na ako. Kasi baka sabihin ko, ba't nandito ka pa sa bahay, mami? Nasaan na yung aking mga binilin sa'yo? And bibili rin ako ng eggs kasi yung eggs namin ay kunti na lang. 5 na lang to. Ginamit ko to kanina. And kaya hapon ako nakapag-vlog kasi nag-edit ako, guys. Kasi ilang araw din ako walang vlogs. Hindi ako nakapag-edit kasi sobrang busy. As in, halos nasa Mount ako. And nag-ship din ako. Kasi nag-live ako for 2 days. Then, after live, punta ng ng training ni Holly. Kasi si Holly meron na siyang netball. And si Saka hapon, anong isang araw? Sa Sapsasa, nagtitraining siya. Kasi kung maalala nyo, sa Sapsasa kasi, lahat ng mga magagaling na estudyante na magaling, lahat na estudyante na magagaling sa footy, nagtitraining. So, iba-ibang school sila. Then, pipili sila ng pinaka, yung alam nila na pwedeng ilaban sa city. So, nung Thursday yun, then si Sak, napili siya. So, magti-training ulit siya. So, napili siya. So, sa Thursday, bukas ata, or Friday, may training ulit siya. Then, tingnan natin kung makukuha ulit sila. Kasi nagka-cut sila eh. Kasi 100 plus sila, more pa. So, kinakat nila yung sino yung hindi pa ready. Tapos yung mga natitira ay yun ang maglalaban-laban. So, yun yung update ko sa inyo. Kasi ilang araw tayo walang, weeks ata ako walang update sa inyo. Kasi ini-edit ko pa. Tapos ko na yung i-edit yung operasyon ni Jan nung nagpunta ka ng Adelaide. Ito yung last. And next yung eto na yung mga ganap namin dito sa bahay namin, sa buhay-buhay. Okay, eto na lang ang gamitin natin. Nagluto akong pancakes kanina. Ito yung ginamit. Protein pancakes yung ginawa ko. Ginamit ko na yung, eto ba, nilagyan ko nito, yung high protein natin. Ayan. Nilagyan ko nito. Hindi na gusto ni John. Kasi alam mo naman si John. Maarte yan. Ayaw niya yung ano. Sabi, this is not pancake. Sabi ko, it's my pancake version. Ayan, no. I like the original pancake. Eh, nakaganito tayo. Kasi malamig na guys sa labas. So, nag-ano lang ako. Parang pang gym, ano lang, outfitan tayo. And baka magsaglit din ako sa gym. Yung mag-walking lang ako mga 30 minutes. Yung ano tawag doon? Yung hindi siya walking, parang siyang bike. Tingnan ko kung may kaya ko pa. So, naligo na tayo. And uploading yung vlog na inedit ko kanina. And nagtupi. Yung mga tinupi ko nandun, hindi ko pa na lagay kasi madami akong tinupi. Alam nyo naman dito sa bahay, ang mga bata, Diyos ko, kung mag-busy sila, kung makikita nyo sa vlog, wala sila laging, ano, diba, damit. Pero kung umalis man sila, magra-ride. Dito na yung mga bata. Hi! Ha? Does he wanna come with you? What do you mean?
He doesn't want to come.
Where?
Yeah.
To the mouth. Why?
He just wants to stop.
Yeah. Do you wanna come?
Mama,
Hi.
Mommy,
What's that?
is my uncle?
Yeah, just put it there. May mga package akong dumating. And box ko rin yan. Okay. Luto na to. So now, asan yung aking tomato? And yung ating... So, dito ko lang siya ilalagay. Preheat ko na rin yung ating oven.
Yeah, we used to have one.
We have 3 of them. Hinahanap ni...
I know, they're all gone.
Si Kuya naghanap siya yung parang torch na sa ano dito sa kanyang ilalagay sa kanyang forehead kasi kailangan nila yon. Ngayon hindi niya na mahanap. Ang meron na lang siya is yung strap. Wala na yung
Why?
light.
What are you making?
Yeah? Say hi to my vlog.
Hi! What are
May,
you making? Can I try some of that?
hindi ko alam kung anong tatawag ko dito kasi ano ko lang to guys.
Mom, this was
Gawa-gawa ko lang to. Later na baba. Gawa-gawa ko lang to na ipalaman yung, instead mag-mash pa ako ng potato.
Woo!
Tapos meal. So, ipalaman na lang natin siya.
So what is it called?
Not sure baba. I don't know. What do you wanna name that one? I need a...
Best food, the best mom cook ever. The best cooker ever.
Lagay din ako ng ito.
I have that one.
Tomato paste. Okay, halo ko lang siya. And you know what? Ang galing ng nabili natin sa
When are you
Timo.
going to get them?
After this,
Mommy, let me see it.
this one. Alright. Wow. Ay!
Little brand, big brand, little brand.
Do I have puree? Do I have? Yes, I do have. Here pala, may puree
This
tayo.
one's for your cooking. The other one's for my banana bread. Mommy,
Gusto ko kasi may konting tomato, yung may bite. Yun ang gusto ni Jan. Nagustuhan yun ni Jan eh.
Are you gonna get one from Kmart?
What? Yeah. Well, you had yours, and then now where is it?
This is break even if I hit a rock.
Well, it's only one night, Kuya.
Yeah, I'm going caving in 2 caves.
2 caves. Magki-caving daw
And then
sila.
Mom has
I'll end up hitting my head into a rock.
Why are you gonna end up hitting your
Because
head?
they're like,
Well, you have to watch.
I can't because I'm not in like this.
Oh my God, Kuya. So why are you going to that? You know that
I
you're
don't
gonna.
want to go.
Well, you have to.
Yeah.
Ayaw niyang sumama sa camping. Eh, hindi pwede kasi sa school yun eh. Sa year niya. And sinabihan siya ng daddy niya, pupunta ka
That's
doon.
good, Mom.
Before you were so excited, and now you don't.
Yeah, until I got told
What?
we're going to a cave.
Mom,
But it's
I did
alright.
cross country running.
You did?
I came fifth.
Huh?
I came fifth.
You came fifth. It's alright.
Maya came second.
Maya?
Well, I fell over
Why?
because 2 kids fell down and I didn't see them, so I crashed into them.
Oh.
And then Maya just flogged me.
Oh. So yeah, ipapalaman ko lang to,
Is that what
guys.
you're gonna do?
Yeah. Yes.
What are you making? Are you putting? Is that mince?
Yeah.
Oh,
Then,
I would love this. It looks good.
ay,
If there's leftovers.
gusto
Oh
niya.
no!
It's alright because it's.
If there's leftovers, I'll have that. By the way. It's really good. I finally put it there.
Andito na yung aking Korean na mga skincare. Ayan na. From
Skincare?
Korea. No, not for you.
Headband.
From Korea. Ah, the minsan. So, yung eto, sa tindahan ko, eto, for me. Hindi siya skincare, guys. I-unbox ko yan, maya-maya. Hoy! Hoy! Tingnan mo tong isa.
Yeah.
It's on Play HQ. It says already.
What?
so
It's really good.
Ang tagal ko tong hinintay, guys. Binalik kasi ito sa, sa Korea.
Yeah, full package.
Napaka-stricto ng, ngayon ng costume.
Is this from Korea?
Yeah.
Is this for your live selling?
Yep.
Please, guys, can you please buy it?
Oh, thank you, Bobo. Support Mommy's, business. Small
Support
business.
my podcast.
Pagka, kala ko, mag-mix akong konti dito. Kasi gusto ni Jan etong, yung may tomato talaga. Yung, kasi nabili ko, buo-buo, hindi yung,
That's my favorite. I love that with Doritos.
eto guys, yung cream fresh.
Yeah, I love that with Doritos. My
Ganyan lang yan.
favorite.
Wait lang.
Masarap. Masarap.
Ang sarap.
That looks so good.
Whatever I look for, I never find. And then when I'm not looking for it, I find it.
Bev, I'm just gonna put this on.
I don't care.
Hindi ko alam kung nakikinig tong asawa ko. Si Kuya kasi nagsusukat siya ng mga isusuot niya sa daddy niya.
You don't know, I just said this.
It looks so yummy.
This is yummy.
Ayan na siya. Ready to Put in the oven. 25 minutes lang ito ilalagay. Kinuha ko muna to dun sa kung saan ko siya tinago.
Where's my bag that it goes in?
What? This one? Huh. How do I know where's your bag for this? So, ito yung dadalhin niya. So, papasok siya dito para magiging keep warm siya. So, magdadala pa rin siya ng isa pang rag. Kasi, sa tent. Are you just gonna stay on the tent, Kuya?
Yeah.
Just tent?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, here. Ito yung bag niyang dadalhin. Okay, mag-ano muna.
Back in this tail.
Yeah, magdadala siya nito. Mag-ready na muna ako. Pumunta si Jan sa shop. Dito lang. Ayun, nakakuha na siya ng ano ni Kuya. Yung sa forehead light niya.
That's all you know.
What do you call that, Han?
I tie that fish in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow, fishing. What do you call that, babe? Water what?
Headlamp.
What's that, Baba?
So put them ones in your bag.
3 watt
What?
Oh, hang on.
Cob.
LED.
Lead.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the one.
Is it work? Yeah. Now you're not gonna hit your head, Kuya.
Still will.
No, don't say that, Kuya. You have to
It's that tight.
be alert. Parang si Kuya takot sa cave.
Yeah.
Let me see. Tagal ko na bago ako umalis kasi nag-melt na yung cheese. Yan na, madali lang siya, diba? Wala pa nga 20 minutes to eh. So, okay, I'm going now. See you later.
Is it finished?
Yeah, don't touch, okay? It's very hot. Dito na pa ako sa town and dito ako sa She's Apples. Madami pa kasing tao dun sa ano, sa Baker's Delight. So sabi ko, punta muna ako dito. Ito kasi yung bili ni Kuya, dried mango. Kaya tayo dito ng dried mango. Dito naman tayo sa Baker's Delight. Ito na yung manga ni Kuya, dried mango. Ang gusto ni Kuya is pepperoni. There's flan.
Anything else for you?
That's for now. Thank you. Pickles naman tayo. Lettuce for Kuya. Ang lalaki ng sibuyas. So, ito na lang na white onion ang kunin natin para kay Kuya. Isa lang daw. Pili tayo. Kmart naman tayo. Okay, hanapan natin si Kuya ng trackies size 14. Black. Oh. Yeah. Ito may packet pero parang hindi to bet ni Kuya. Yung simple lang. Ito. Ayan. Tawagan ko muna si Kuya. Kung gusto niya to. Tapos na pala ako sa Kmart. Dan muna ako dito sa gym. Mga siguro 30 to 1 hour. Mag-gym tayo. Kalalabas ko lang sa gym. 7:20 na. Okay, uwi na ako. Sinukat na agad-agad ni Kuya yung kanyang trackies. Let me see ya. Nakaligo na sila.
AJ, you dog.
Come on, Kuya. Let me see.
Hold there. That's perfect.
Good. Oh, Isaka. Nakaligo na si Holly. Bumili ako na Lamington. This one, yeah. Bumili ako.
Green apple.
No, it didn't say green.
Do you get, what kind of apple? Pink lady thing?
And then it says there a pack apple.
No,
a pack of mango.
them.
Oh, well, I got... Bumili ko sa she's apples na dried mango, di ba? Pero sa amin siya, gusto niya yung sapos. So, kinuha ko siya dito, sapos, yung slice.
Mom.
So, I got you this... Oh, kumuha na siya ng banana. This one, Han. Kuya! What are you doing? You're gonna bring one of those?
And I got
Where are you going?
spinach or something.
No, this is
Where are you going
arugula.
tomorrow?
Hey.
Organic. This one, I got you this one. You're just gonna bring one? One of this?
Chocolate, yeah.
Or you can bring this one.
No.
What?
This is it for first.
Oh, just one?
I'm trying one now.
Boy.
I just want to try one. I'll try.
Chloe, can I have one too, please?
Have one.
Don't touch that one. I have one. Oh, alright.
Just a little bit, that's enough.
No, it's a...
Silly.
It's go, baby, there for a long time.
I know. I think 1.5 hours ako sa gym, guys. Kasi ang
What?
daming, I think an hour and a half because there's a
Yeah.
lot of people. So I have to wait or not that long. So I think I done 6 different or 7 different kinds of upper arm, abs. Let me try. Nice.
Nice.
Oh, yung sarap din ng first time ko bumili ng dried mango.
Good.
So this one, Kuya, you want me to put this in Ziploc? That's nice. I think I'm gonna buy that one also. Include to your snacks. You want that for your snacks?
Yeah.
I'm keeping the whole bag.
Yeah. So you're just gonna bring one.
When you sort of go now,
Do you want me to wash it?
Your foot a bit, mate.
It's
You gotta
already nice and
Oi,
clean.
one straight at it. Drop it
You want
straight at
just one, yeah? You sure? Or two?
it. No.
We're probably going to end up eating it.
Oh, kasi may sila, may parang may kanya-kanya silang dala.
See?
And what else?
What, when I do
And you know what, Kuya, you have to bring that tomato sauce. Not tomato. It says tomato sauce. I was confused. Bring one of... Yeah. So, Han, Kuya said, Daddy, he needs tomato.
Tomato?
Yeah, and then I read again, tomato sauce.
Oh, just tomato sauce.
Yeah, so I have tomato sauce here. You can bring one of these.
Can I have one more mango strip, please?
What's going on, sit down.
What are you doing?
Can I have
Gym.
You're going to
Dad,
the
can I
gym?
go to the gym?
No, gym.
Rob went to the gym the other day.
No.
No, who was it? Max.
Max went today. Can I come, please?
What? Gym in the bay?
No, they're
No, you're in
six.
school.
Oh. Then why are you going?
Because Dino's not.
I got banana.
Just Nestle's fruit food.
Kuya. Here, I have one here. Come here. Mango. Here, stop eating, Kuya. Oh, it's still in the car. In the plastic bag.
I have one.
I have walnuts and mango. And bumili ako nito. Ito kasi yung...
onion?
You're the best.
Yeah, here. Onion. At the front.
What's that?
Onion.
Probably just cover up.
No, it says one onion, so... Huh?
Whereabouts is it?
Front.
In the front sack.
So, bumili ako nito. Ito yung brown rice and quinoa.
Whose crocs are they?
Holly. That's for dancing.
Okay.
I'm beginning now.
I got knife.
Yeah,
You're not-
no, to cut the onion. We can't cut it.
Yeah, don't cry.
So, bumili ako nitong 5.
You have to cry.
Yeah, can you don't have to cry.
And bumili ako nito kasi na-miss na to ni Kuya.
Hurry up.
Na-miss na rin. Tagal ko nang hindi nakaluto ng ganito. And apple. So, you're just gonna bring one? Are you sure? But only one apple.
I don't know breakfast.
Give it to
I
me.
didn't even eat breakfast.
Yeah.
I want one.
Ito Ito yung manga na, dried mango na.
Hey, you got your own.
Yeah.
Which one is good? I think this one is the,
I grind my teeth.
yeah, I like that better. Ito sa healthy option to. Pero mas masarap yung mango yun.
How much more chocolate?
It tastes like the smell of the alcohol thing.
The what?
It tastes like the smell of alcohol.
The smell of the alcohol.
No, the taste
Ma.
and the smell.
I want that mango.
Ayun nila yung
I
sa...
don't like it either.
Ito.
I'm having dry mango instead.
You're just bringing one. I still have apple there. I thought you're gonna bring one box. Salang pala. Ang dami ko pang apple dyan. What's this one? Okay. What do you need? No, here.
Oh, there it is.
You got two. Just get the other one.
I want the new one.
So, isa lang daw na apple. What else you need? Bumili ako ng kamatis. Akala ko ito yung dadali ni Kuya. Pagbasa ko ulit, tomato sauce. So, don't forget this one. We're just gonna refill. Ito, dalhin to ni Kuya. And that's it, yeah. Okay, so yan yung nabili ko. And kahapon, hindi ako kasi nag-vlog. Gutom na ako, guys. Kahapon, nagluto ako ng tahong. Where is that tahong?
What's that hole?
The soup last night.
That's you. I love that.
Where is my soup? Oh, hindi na tayo.
I'm holding the fridge with my leg.
No, it's in here. This one, this is gonna be my... Oh my God, dinner guys. Ang sarap nito. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya.
Sarap.
Mamaya ipakita ko yan sa inyo. Yan ang kakainin ko tapos isang ganitong rice. So yan yung dinner ko. Ano pa ba? Ready na si Kuya.
I love food dinner.
Nandito na yung kanyang... I need tissue for this. Ayan pala siya. May tofu, may spinach, at saka yung bok choy. Ayan. Okay. Ligpit ko muna ito, tapos kakain na ako. Ang sarap nito guys, promise. Lagyan nyo ng tofu, yung soft, hindi yung may firm kasi, diba?
Bango.
Ano?
Bango.
Bango? Akala ko
Bango.
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 You're mabango. You smells good.
Mahal siya.
Tinapos niya na pala yung homework niya kahapon. Right? You're done with your homework?
Yeah. But I have to do one more column.
One column. That's the spelling
Yes,
one.
just the spelling.
Yeah. Pero yung
It's
math
tomorrow.
and reading, tapos na siya. Kasi, nabanggit ko ba sa inyo, ang
This is
homework
so
niya
cute.
is for, it's not hot yet. Later, I'm gonna heat it.
Yes.
Yung homework niya kasi is for 1 week nang binibigay. So, tinapos na kahapon. Yung spelling na lang. Ginawa kong grilled na iba-ibang veggies. Ayan. Meron siyang yung pumpkin nga na bigay ng kapitbahay. Beetroot, tapos beans, broccoli ba yun? Tapos yung isa pa yung puti, para siyang hindi siya radish, pang grill siya, nakalimutan ko yung basta something like that. Carrots, and yung hate ni Jan, ayaw ni Jan tong Brussels sprout, kasi nung malit daw siya, si ma'am, lagi daw tong nasa table nila, lagi. Pag dinner, lagi daw to nasa pagkainan nila. Kaya ngayon hindi niya na talaga to, ayaw niya, maamoy niya nga lang, bawang-baw siya. Gustong-gusto ko siya. And linagyan ko rin tong mushroom. Ito pwede siyang kainin na malamig. Para sa akin okay lang siyang malamig. So ito yung salad ko. Ito munang kainin ko. Tapos, pwede ko siyang lagyan ng yung rice ko sa ibabaw. Okay na siya. Tapos, meron lang akong... Baba! I'm gonna... Copyright. Ano yan? Kailangan ko lang ng protein like chicken or anything na pwede na protein like fish. Tapos yan, okay na ako. Kaya ito, hindi ko na yan iinitin. Lalagyan ko siya ng cottage cheese and arugula. Ayan, cheese. Wala ko yung balsamic, pero okay na yan. Naubusan kasi ko yung sauce ko na balsamic, na ginagawa ko. Lagay tayong cottage cheese. Tapos eto. Then eto, mina-microwave lang to for how many minutes nga? 90 or 40? Yung isa kasi yung sa packet, yung nabili ko, yung nakita nyo na yun. 40 seconds lang yun. Eto, ano to? Ilang minutes ba to? 90 yata. No, 40. 40 seconds din. Pareho lang pala. And meron siyang 125 grams daw ang isang ganito. Nasa 200 plus ang calories niya lang. So, okay na. Ayan ang itsura niya. Gusto ko siyang initin sa sa plato. Lagyan natin ng cottage cheese. Ubusin ko na to kasi pawala na. Paubos na siya eh. Cottage cheese and feta. Tapos magdi-drizzle na lang tayo ng oil niya. Kasi malasa naman. Yung veggies na grill ko, malasa na siya guys. Wala akong nilagay na kahit ano. As in, kinat ko lang siya, tapos linagay ko sa oven. Walang asin, wala. Asin, walay. And meron tayong dessert. Merong dessert papaya. Kinat ko na rin siya. Oh, diba? Para ready lagi. Ayan. Patayong dalawa. Si Holly, kakain din to. So, tatlo. And alam niyo yung mangga na binili ko na malaginto ang presyo. Hindi ko pa rin siya nakakain. Nakalimutan ko. Nakabalik pa siya sa papel. Matigas pa siya. Oh, excited akong kainin. Tingnan natin. So, ayan na yung aking dinner. Eto, baka hindi ko maubos yung rice. Kasi minsan, well, pwede ko naman siyang ubusin kasi ang dami kong ginawang exercise ngayon. But, yan yung dinner ko, guys. O, diba?
Mommy, what one?
Yes, thank you. So, yan yung dinner. Pakita ko lang sa inyo closely yung ating tahong, papaya, salad, quinoa with brown rice. And yung isa naman, nagpipicture. Ay, wow! Pinicturean niya nga. Okay, kain. Okay, kain tayo. Kain. Pag-isipan ko, maghigop ba ako ng sabaw muna o
If I
salad?
ask why it's so big, I'm just gonna. It's not.
Why? You're not allowed to bring big?
I don't think so, but it's my sleeping bag.
That's right.
Oh, okay.
Medyo stricto kasi yung school niya.
Yeah,
Just your second, yeah.
Yeah, I just brushed my teeth anyway.
I know.
Come on.
You just brush your teeth. Sarap. Tapos nito maliligo ulit ako, pero hindi ko nababasahin yung buho ko. Sarap ng sabaw nito. Fresh kasi to, yung binili ko kahapon ba yun? Hindi kahapon. Kahapon ko to siya niluto. Noong Tuesday. What's today? Wednesday? Oh, Monday ko siya binili.
I
Basta.
dance tomorrow.
Mhm.
Ariel and ballet.
Sarap.
It's Maya's mum's birthday today.
Who's Maya? Ah,
It's her mum's.
what? You going to bed?
What's time?
8:27. Good night. Love you.
Love you.
He's holding his breath.
Ano, kasi ayaw niya yung ayaw niya yung amoy ng...
Do you have more?
What are you doing, Zach? I thought you're going to bed.
Yeah. I'm not hungry.
Hmm. And ready na siya. Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Heavy?
Yeah,
Good night. Ubus ko yung tahong pero yung rice hindi. At saka yung salad na ubus ko din. So busog na me. And may tira pa tayong rice. And mayroon pa kaming papaya. So we're gonna close the vlog, Baba, kasi it's gonna end. Okay, good night.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.